I just got back from a lovely trip along the Milky Way. No, not really. I didn't go to the Milky Way. But isn't that a song or something? Seems as though it is. Welcome back to my channel. My house is a wreck. I need to do a good cleaning. We just got back from a little trip to Quebec City. We had an amazing time, but I have to say it was really, really, really cold. Like, emphasis on really. I thought it was cold here at home. It was so cold. Like, at home it was 16. That's cold. In Quebec City, that same day, it was 7. That's really cold. Most days, it was in the negative digits. Really, really cold. Too cold for this girl. I think I'd like to visit there again in the summer when it's nice and warm and I don't have to wear 4 layers of clothes. So let me just show you a little of what our house looks like. We got back last night. It was clean when we got home. My mom stayed here and she did an amazing job keeping everything clean and in order. But when my husband and I got home, we just created a hurricane. Everything is all over. I have unpacked and I have actually thrown in some laundry. Some things I still have to put away and get taken care of. This stuff here is still stuff that I've got to put away, and I do have a rack of clothes that are drying by the fire. My husband plowed last night and we just hung his clothes up to dry. It was pretty snowy and blowy out. This is the living room. Let me get a light on for you. It's a bit of a wreck. This is our bedroom. I still have not made the bed. It's about 10:30 in the morning. You can see some luggage down there. I've been working on a few things, more luggage, and I do have some laundry in. You can hear it. Look, I even have granola on my makeup table. I just threw the bag that we brought with us and threw that down in there, and I still haven't taken care of it. I'm not even going to show you this other room here, my entryway. Well, maybe I can give you a little peek. Yeah. It's not great in there either, and you can probably see I still have a tree up in there. But we need to get cleaning. So let's go do that.
We are who we are. Why don't I be me?
I usually like to start my cleaning by making my bed. Usually I make it first thing when I get up in the morning, but on this day I just had so much to do. I just started throwing laundry in and getting some other things picked up, so the bed had to wait a little bit.
Let's be free. Just be yourself. Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like to.
As you can see, I still have my Christmas decorations up. Those are going to come down, and you'll see a little later on in this video. I am working on them, just one room at a time.
Ain't no one stopping you.
If you're new to my channel, my husband and I just bought a new mattress. So that's why this one is standing up in our entryway. It's going to our son and daughter-in-law, but they haven't picked it up yet because their truck is in the shop. So it will be out of our entryway soon, just don't know when. So until then, I have a mattress in my entryway. On the flip side, we love our new mattress. If it's something that you're in the market for, I can leave a link below. We bought it at nicely.com. I highly recommend them. We love our experience with them, and you get 100 nights sleep for free. I have a link below in my description box, and if you purchase your mattress through that link, you can get $50 off the price of the mattress. It's a great deal, folks, and it's a great mattress. I love it. My husband loves it. Our backs are so happy. So if you're in the market for a new mattress, I highly recommend Nicely.
That brings us down. We shouldn't care about anyone who brings us down. Doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like, do what you like to do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like, do what you like to do. We get down to the beat, y'all. We get down, down to the beat, y'all. We get down to the beat, y'all.
This island is definitely our catch-all area, although I am doing better at it. I promise. It doesn't look it right now, but I promise I'm doing better. I've been able to keep the clutter off. I keep at it all day long. On this day, I am uploading another video, so I have my computer out, and a lot of the things that are on the island are things left from what we didn't unpack yet. These little bags are what we store my husband's medications in whenever we go on vacation. And there's some mail on the counter and, you know, just the odds and ends and things that usually accumulate on somebody's counter.
He's the same. Where do we go from here when everything is said and done? This is what we do. We get down to the beat, y'all. We get down, down to the beat, y'all. Let's get down. We get down to the beat, y'all. Yeah, it's like I'm stuck in this mystic cloud, waiting for something I can't get out. And I don't even care, no.
If you're new and you've never seen my videos before, well, we don't have a dishwasher. I do all of our dishes by hand, and actually I love doing our dishes by hand. I've always done them that way. I don't have a problem with it. When we built our home, it was actually intentional that we did not put a dishwasher in, and the dishwashing soap that I use to do my dishes is from Grove Collaborative. They have so many different scents, and honestly, it just makes doing dishes a really nice experience because it smells so nice, especially the basil. If you haven't tried the basil, you really want to try the basil. It's just amazing. My favorite scent, hands down.
Where do we go from here when everything is said and done? We're started all over. And let's get together now, so we can find a spark in the night. Yeah. Bring it down. Come on. Blow that.
Do you iron your clothes? Well, I iron. And these shirts that I'm hanging on the door of the dryer are some of my husband's shirts. I usually take those and I put them on a rack and let them accumulate 5 or 6 at a time. And by the time I get that many, I know it's time to start ironing.
So don't let me go.
You can see on my washer, I have my phone set up on a little stand. I'm watching YouTube videos while I clean. Yes, I do that too.
Here in your arms, I wanna stay. I'm slipping away, so don't let me go now. Your love is exceptional. It fills me up. It's out of control, out of control. Oh baby, I love the rush. It overflows. It's out of control, out of control. I'm in love. Yeah. I'm slipping away, yeah. Just like I am dreaming, walking around in this love haze. I wanna stay in this feeling, but let me know that I am safe here in your arms. I wanna stay. I'm slipping away, oh, so don't let me go now. Your love is exceptional. It fills me up. It's out of control, but baby, I love the rush. It overflows. It's out of control. Your love is exceptional. It fills me up. It's out of control, oh baby, I love the rush. It overflows. It's out of control, I'm in love, deep in love with you, baby.
I know I've mentioned it before. My dog is a really sloppy eater. She's a boxer and she has, well, floppy lips. Her food goes everywhere, so I'm always cleaning up bits and pieces of her food.
Oh, it overflows. Your love is exceptional. It fills me up. It's out of control.
In case you're wondering, there's no fire in this cook stove today. It's cold, so it's okay, folks, that I'm vacuuming it off with a vacuum. It's not going to harm anything.
It's out of control. Baby, I love the rush. Come on, yeah. Out of control, I'm in love.
Can you believe I'm finally taking down my Christmas decorations? I've been going room by room, very slowly, I might add. I still have more to do, but I'll get to them, I promise. Most of my decorations are truly just winter decorations, so I figure I'm still safe, since clearly we are still in the winter season.
I got that good old times. You want to spend some time back here with me. And time after time, I am wondering who is she to me. I'm gonna tell you right now, 'cause she's the one I'm thinking of. Hey, the only one I'm thinking of. Hey, she's everything I'm dreaming. wanna tell you right now, 'cause
the joys of decorating with pine cones. Yep, little pine cone pieces everywhere. This box is going to go upstairs. I have more decorations than I need to add to it, and I've got another tote that I need to pack up with decorations, and then I'm going to be putting them in our basement on shelves where I keep all of our decorations.
the one that I can live without. Right off the bat, I knew I loved you. You had that sparkle in your eyes, some kind of shimmer in your presence, unlike no other I had met. You got me spinning out of context, not really sure what I should do. This is the reason I am leaving. Can't live with or without you. Oh, won't you sing to me? There ain't no other way but to sing to me, as simple as I say.
You can see Holly's bed is missing from the corner of our bedroom. That's because I stripped it and it's in the laundry now. I do her bedding at least once a week, if not more. She has two beds, one that stays in our bedroom and one that stays in the living room.
Try to tell you we need a fight in every way. No hugs, no kisses could protect us from what the future had in store. Love is a flicker in the distance. Oh, you try to grab it and it's gone. Won't you sing to me?
Thank you for watching today. If you enjoyed today's video, please subscribe below. If you're new, welcome. I do all things home here on my channel. I post new videos every Tuesday and Friday morning. I'd love to have you join my family of keepers. See you in my next video.